For some reason, I've got a bit of a reputation when it comes to driving.
See ya! Oh,
my
I've hit the
goodness.
bollards. Where's the brake?
Driving confidently is a big factor in deciding the price that you'll pay for your insurance, so it's tough particularly for younger or less experienced motorists. But insurers are keen to use new black box technology to monitor your driving.
OK, Mr McGovern, that seems fine on your vehicle.
So I had one installed in the car I was using for work. You're encouraged to drive just as you normally would, and then it measures how fast you're going, what your braking's like, how you take corners, and just overall how safe you are.
Save me from tears, I'll give it to somebody special.
Do you think I brake too harsh then? And if you drive well, it should mean that you save money on your insurance. But that, of course, is if you do drive well.
Now, I'm sure you're dying to know what the results were of that. And I've got to tell you, I scored an excellent for driving. Would you believe, everybody? I know everyone's laughing at that. And I promise I didn't pay anyone to say that. It was analysed and given to me on proper paper. Now, that score could mean that my car insurance could come down. And joining us to tell us a bit more about this is Grant Mitchell, who's Head of Motor Insurance at the Cooperative Insurance. Good morning to you, Grant. Tell us a bit about what that could mean. I came out excellent. I'm going to say that as many times as I can. But what difference could it mean to my insurance?
So what would that would mean is that you could get a discount off your insurance premium. In that particular case, if you kept that driving up for the year, you'd get about 20% off. And the important thing about that is we can still personalise a premium based on your individual driving score, even after the new rules come in tomorrow, which means we can't treat all women differently from all men, but we can treat you on a personal basis based on your own individual driving.
But there is a danger that you might get one of these black boxes and find out you're not a great driver as you thought you were, and then your premiums could go up.
That is possible. At the moment, the people who are choosing to take this sort of scheme, we find, are the people who recognise they tend to be the safer drivers, and most people on these sort of schemes are currently getting discounts.
Can you trial it? Can you get one of these black boxes, find out if you're any good or not, and then, if you're not, hand it back and quietly never say anything about it again?
You can take one of these boxes. You can obviously choose then to revert back to a normal insurance scheme. Actually, one of the things we're launching in the new year is what we call a try before you buy smartphone app, whereby you can try out exactly the same technology but not linked to your insurance policy and see what score you would have got and what discount you could have got off your premium.